guys, MooreNerdy here, and I'm just so excited that you are joining me on this beautiful Wednesday in May. I decided to do this video outside since it's just gorgeous today. So the whole purpose of this video is this beautiful pink package. I'm very excited. So DeAnn's Dazzling Designs made me what I like to call a fanny pack. What the cool kids apparently call it these days is a hip bag. So I'm very excited to open it. It's going to help me with my trail skating. It'll help me sell at cons, and I'm so excited. I've seen a few pictures and just looks gorgeous. So thank you so much, Mrs. Feeler. I'm so excited. So here we go, opening it. Oh my gosh. It feels like Christmas again in May. So excited. Oh my goodness, look. Oh, look at this card. It's so cute. It says, "I heart yarn." That is so adorable. So as you can see, DeAnn's Dazzling Designs, you can hit her up on Facebook or on Instagram. She's always sharing her awesome stuff on there. I love just watching her business progress, and you're just making such awesome, just really cool stuff. And this is the talent I wish I had as a seamstress. So I'm so excited. And a very nice card on the back. Oh my gosh, you're the sweetest. You're my favorite. Little inside joke. So if she says you're her favorite, don't listen to her. I'm her favorite. So goes for you children as well. So I'm so excited. So I'm opening up the bag now. It is so pretty. All right, so oh my gosh, this looks like the perfect size and everything. So as you can see, it's Harley Quinn. So when I'm doing crazy stuff, it even has a little, oh, pull back on it. So when I'm doing something crazy while I'm skating, I can just, channel the Harley Quinn through. This is so awesome. So when I originally was talking about it, I was just thinking just all cloth, make it basic. Oh, no. She's anything but basic. She's amazing. So you can see this detail with I don't know what material this is, but it's like almost like a pleather, where it's just that nice feel to it. It has these nice rivets in it. It even has this where I can change this out if I need it longer. And it even says made with love. I don't know if you can see that. It's made with love. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my goodness, and there's so much room in here. So this thing, so I have small wrists and big hands. So look, I have man hands, they're huge. So the fact that all this can fit in here, oh my gosh. And it even has, again, DeAnn's Dazzling Design. So check her out because this is amazing. And it's local. She's from St. Clair. Wonderful, wonderful person. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So I'm going to show you some of the things I'm going to put in it. So, of course, the most important thing while I go skating, I don't know if you guys know this, but I got the asthma. So my little inhaler holder. So there's a few things I can do with this. I could either, if I'm skating, I could just clip it on here, but it'll kind of bop on around. So I'm gonna put it in here. And this is hard. This is the biggest reason why I wanted a hip bag, is actually more than my keys, is I have really bad asthma. So while I'm skating around, I'm normally by myself, and an asthma attack, isn't the sexiest thing anyway, but by yourself without an inhaler, that's super dangerous. So it's really hard for me to carry this around and skate for miles. So now, kaboom, I have something that I can put it in. Also, you have to have your earbuds. Can put that in there. Perfect. Got my keys, and I have not a crazy amount of keys, but they're kind of bulky and they're a little heavy. So that fits in there. And if I wasn't recording on my phone, I would show you that it could easily fit. This could easily fit my iPhone, like the Plus. I really like the big one. So this is awesome. And also, safety is sexy. So if you were skating by yourself, carry some mace, easily put it in there. This is so awesome. And the zipper is just wonderful. Do you hear that? Oh, just close. Oh, this is just amazing. DeAnn, You are so wonderful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so excited to put this on. Let's see. Oh, and of course it fits me perfectly. So if you guys can see that right there, while I pull up my pants a little bit, is that it's just, oh, it's gonna fit perfect while I skate. It doesn't slip down, especially I wear a lot of workout clothes that are kind of slick. And like I said, it is just made with such good quality. You can tell that it is made with love. I am so excited. It's the perfect size. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I cannot wait to wear this while I skate around. Thank you. So this is MooreNerdy. I will also be including those links on this this post, so make sure that you guys click on it. You guys shop local. She is super awesome, and like I said, just a wonderful woman through and through. So thank you so much. This is